Welcome. In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 35. It is from chapter 30 of College Physics 2E by OpenStax. In this problem, we have an atom that has an electron in the n equals 5 state with ml equals 3, and we need to tell what the possible values of L are. Okay, so what is known? We know that n is equal to 5 and that m sub L is equal to 3. Okay, well, if n is 5, this gives all the possible values of L of 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and if m sub L is 3, from those values, L can either be 3 or 4. Okay, and so that actually ends up being our answer, but let's brute force it a bit. If L is 0, then ML is 0. If L is 1, then m sub L is minus 1, 0, or 1. If L is 2, then m sub L is minus 2, 0. Whoops, I missed minus 1. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. If L is 3, m sub L is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So we know m sub L is 3, so there's one of our L's. And all these work for n is 5. And then if L is 4, m sub L is minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And here again, we see that ML is 3. And so there's our L is 4. And so with n 5 and m sub L 3, the possible values of L are 3 and 4. I hope you found that helpful. Let me know in the comments section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.